In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo emails by date range. If you've ever found yourself sorting through countless emails, trying to clean up your inbox, and wishing there was a simpler way to target specific dates, this guide is for you. We'll go through a straightforward process to help you easily manage your emails and get that inbox looking a bit tidier. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you're signed in and looking at your email dashboard, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Click into this search area and look for the Preferences or Filter option, which is usually represented by a small icon resembling sliders or funnel. This will allow us to specify search criteria for our emails. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled as Anytime. Click on this menu and it will offer various time frame options. These options might range from the last week, the last month, or even up to specific custom ranges. Choose the selection that best suits the period of emails you want to delete. Once you've selected your desired time range, there's a section that asks you to specify the type of date by which you want to sort your emails. This could be the date the email was sent or received. Make the choice that aligns best with your cleanup goals. This is a critical step because it sets the foundation for Yahoo to filter your emails according to the given dates. After you've set up your date filters, the next thing you'll do is hit the search button. Yahoo Mail will process these criteria and display a list of emails that meet your specific time range requirements. Within moments, you'll be presented with a curated list, simplifying the process of targeting unnecessary or old emails. With the list of emails now before you, you will see little checkboxes next to each email. Click on the checkbox positioned at the top of this list to select all the emails within the specified time frame. This saves you the time of individually checking each one. Finally, with all your target emails selected, look for the Delete option, typically represented by a trash can icon located either at the top or as a part of a menu bar. Click on it, and just like that, all the emails are sent to your trash folder, streamlining your inbox quickly and efficiently. There you have it, a simple, effective way to clean up your Yahoo Mail by filtering and removing emails based on date. By following these easy steps, you can now better manage your digital space, keeping it organized and less cluttered. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and here's to a cleaner inbox.